Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this Karwa Chauth makeup look. First of all, happy Karwa Chauth to all of you. All of our good wishes from me and my family to all of you. And if you really like this Karwa Chauth makeup look, then continue watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So first I took this Max Strobe cream, because this is really good for like giving that dewy makeup look. I've already explained this in all of my last videos. Then I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Foundation. I'm in love with this foundation. Of course, I always use this. And I'm gonna take like this much. There's like 2 pumps, you can say. And then I'm gonna just place it on my face first with the brush. Just so that I can get full coverage, because this foundation is really light and it's not gonna hide all your blemishes unless you put good amount of it. But I mean, I personally like light and wear my light and low lightweight foundations where my skin feels my own skin, not like some cakey foundation face. And then I will take a damped beauty blender so that it can take off the excessive amount of foundation from my face. And also it blends all your makeup really well and absorbs the excess. Okay, so once it's all blended in properly, now we are gonna move to the concealer part. And today, again, as usual, I'm gonna use Age Rewind instant Age Rewind eraser. I'm sorry, but I cannot just think of starting using any else now. And I'm gonna put like good amount of this concealer on the upper lid of my eyes, just so that I can, because I want to put on some eyeshadows over there. And if this can work as a primer for your eyes, and you can tap off like some loose powder, which I'm gonna show you soon. So I'm gonna use it on the highlighted parts of my face, like nose, this area and this, and then sides of my nose, bridge of my nose, and the forehead. A damp beauty blender, and you gotta fix this in your skin by pushing it as soon as possible when you apply it, because you don't want that cakey, greasy look. Kind of like a tapered brush, like you can see the shape, right? Or else I usually take the same beauty blender and get some product. This is a banana setting powder, and just slide on the upper lid of your eye just to set the concealer in. And this will fix the product in. This won't let the product crease your give the creasy cakey look, and it'll be really easy to work with your eyeshadows once you apply this. And then we're gonna work with the eyeshadows, and today I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty's remastered rose gold palette, and I'm gonna use this pinkish color because I want to give a contrast to my dress. But before that, I will go ahead and just to set up like a base for my eyes, I'm gonna use this sandalwood color. You can use light brown close to your skin color from any palette you want, and then I will just sweep it in my crease, and then whatever is left on the brush, I will just press that on the lids of my eye. Take this pink color, it is doll face color, nice name. And then I will just sweep this color off on all over my eye. Take some more, dust off extra, keep going back and forth. You can use the swipe motion or you can use the circular motion, whatever feels comfortable to you. You can see that color is slowly building up, and I'm gonna go a little bit up of my crease so that I can mix that light brown and this pink all together, and I don't want to give that look that there are two harsh lines of two different colors. Okay, so the pink is done now. Now what I'm gonna do is on the same brush, the blender brush, I'm gonna take a little bit darker pink, which is this. I'm gonna take a little bit of it, and then I will just sweep in my crease area just to give it like that depth look to my eye. Just in my crease, just a little bit of it. Hope you can see that dark light ombre kind of effect. And if I look like this, it gives that depth to the eyes. I'm just gonna do a little bit more, to be dramatic. A little shimmery just in the middle of my eye. So I'm just, because my dress is really light, so I'm gonna take this moon dust. It's kind of like champagne kind of color, and I'm just gonna take it on the tip of my finger and just place it in the middle like this. That is it. That is it. I'm just gonna take a brush so that I can give it a finished look, but just in the middle, nowhere else. See, it's perfectly blended. That's the trick, guys. Like the whatever color you're putting on your eyes, all of the colors should blend in all together properly. So that's it for the eyes today. Now I'm gonna now I'm gonna take the Goof Proof brow pencil for the brows, of course. I'm just gonna brush my brows first. And then fill them in. And then I will curl my eyelashes 10 seconds each eye. And then I'm gonna take a pencil liner brush, kind of looks like this. This brush is again from Miss Adoro E45. And from the same palette, I'm gonna take this matte black color, looks like this. And then I'm just gonna go really close to my eyelashes. I'm not gonna do an eyeliner look, but just a messy, not messy, but very close to my eyelash, like just a bit, right from the middle, right from the center of my eye, then drag it outwards. That's it, just to give it that look. And I'm not gonna use kajal or anything else today. And then for the blush, I'm gonna use this is NYX Sweet Cheeks matte color, but this is a perfect pink color to go with my eyeshadows, so that's why. And don't worry, I remember after this I will put on the mascara, but I just wanted to see the color of the liner and everything, if it is going well with my, like, everything is getting all together or not. My whole point is that. And take some more. I'm gonna put on some excessive amount of blush today, just on the apple of my cheek, that I always apply like here too on the sides, just because it gives that contouring kind of look if you want to actually miss the contour. And we'll see if it is coming all together or not, then we will work accordingly. And then I'm gonna use this highlighter palette. This is Floral Bloom Highlight and Contour. It's a really good kit for highlight and contouring and setting your makeup, because it has every single color to it, as you can see. And now I'm gonna use that same tapered kind of shaped brush. Hope you can see this. Ooh, I'm really liking my eyes makeup today. And then I'm gonna use this, which highlighter should I use? I'm gonna use this champagne kind of color, just on the tip of it, dust off the extra, and then the highlighted part, this cheekbone. It's a nice color, as you can see. It's a really lovely color. And the product is really good too. It's not like getting everywhere on your face, but at the same time giving you enough amount of highlight. Be very light-handed while applying this. Keep checking both cheeks. A little bit here, nose. It's always easy to apply on your nose with the finger, but you can use whatever you feel like comfortable with. She got it. The glow. Is it good?
Perfect.
And now for my to complete the eyes look first, I'm gonna use the Lancome mascara, the basic Lancome mascara. As we have already curled our eyelashes, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm not doing the falsies today and not even the base to enhance the eyelashes. Just simple look. And now for the lips, I'm gonna use this B Bella Cosmetics cappuccino color. It's kind of like brownish. I'm using this just to give the outline, but the actual color is gonna be pink. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna use Pure Color Envy 220 Powerful. This is from Estee Lauder again, and dude, this is the color. I love it. And I'm gonna go all over. So this is the whole makeup look. I will complete it with the jewelry and everything else, but before that, MAC Prep and Prime. And I'm gonna spray it so that it gives more dewy look. See, it gives that fresh, dewy look to your face. Okay, so I'm back with my jewelry on, and you can put on any jewelry you want. I just wanted, because it's a Karwa Chauth look, I just wanted to be a little bit extra, and you know, so this can be the final look. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I don't know if the dupatta and everything is going well right now. I'm just gonna go set up everything well, but this is, I wanted to show you the final look, why I put it on the pink, and because of my jewelry and my dupatta and that champagne color on the center of my eyes. Please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and happy Karwa Chauth to all of you.